What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to show you how you can get the latest working version for the Checkra1n Studio iOS jailbreak. This is the same developer's website that we've been using now for a long time. We've been using it for many years on this channel, and it works with all the old and new iOS jailbreaks. The developer updates the website for every single iOS jailbreak release, and it's been working perfectly for us for a long time, as you're well aware. So the website is updated by the developer, so we know that it's constantly being given the latest releases, and we know it's compatible. So this works perfectly for the old devices as well. So iPhone 5s all the way up to iPhone 12s and above. It's always going to work for any device for you. So what you want to do is go to the website. It's Get Jailbreaks with an S. That's Get Jailbreaks with an S. And once you're on the website, go ahead and click on the Get Jailbreak Now. That's then going to pop up with a box. And you go ahead and click on the allow, and then it's going to download the profile. So you want to go to your settings, look for profile, click on that, and then once you've opened that up, just go ahead and click on the install, and the link will be below in the comments for the website, by the way, guys. So go ahead and click on the next, and then you want to click on the install as well. And then once you've done that, you want to go to your home page. Now, as you can see, it's downloaded the Checkra1n, so we can go ahead and implement the jailbreak. So just let that load up. It takes about a second or two normally. So there we go. So Checkra1n Studio. So now what we want to do is go ahead and click on the jailbreak button. Now we've already downloaded the Studio to our phone on this particular tutorial, but I'm going to go ahead and show you it working anyway. Now what you will find is there's normally a verification process that's put in place by the developer because he gets a lot of bot traffic trying to crash the website and grab the code that he spends a lot of time on. So the verification is really easy. As you guys know already, it takes a couple of minutes. Usually what we do is just answer a few questions. Once you've clicked on the verified your device, you'll see the options. We normally answer a few questions, which takes up to like 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes max, but it's worth it because you're always getting the latest working iOS jailbreaks in return for like a few minutes. A lot of times as well, there's some apps that we download, and we basically just download the apps and just play with them for a few minutes, and we get access to the jailbreak. So what you want to do once you've done that, as you can see, we've already done it, but we can now go ahead and click on the Studio. So it's going to open it up for you to show you now. So there you go, guys. So yeah, you know, once you've done the verification, you can get the Studio and open it up, and you get all of the wallpapers. This is compatible, as I say, with all of the iOS devices out there. You don't need to worry at all. And as you know, we've been using this website for a long time now, and we only share what works. I mean, we've vigorously tested this particular jailbreak, for example, with all of the old and new iPhone devices. There you go, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, let us know it's working for you, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks, guys.